Got a bit of protest here from my helper, Sugar. Welcome. Okay, got it. Russ Alexander. Today we're going to talk about COVID-19 and discount divorces. Are unhappy rich people hedging their bets? But before we do that, we've got our COVID-19 case of the day. So the question that was raised in this case is, if you sell your home and your sales proceeds are sitting there, can you get a court order that those be released to you? You're going to get the answer at the end of this video, so hang in there. Let's go back to rich people. What we're seeing is, with the pandemic, the market's crashing, property values are dropping, obviously people's incomes are dropping. For super high wealthy individuals whose assets are more subject to market fluctuations, so they're invested in various stocks and bonds and other investments, their asset base is starting to crash. So what we're seeing is they're using this time and this reduction in their family wealth to separate from their spouse. So ordinarily we share family property. The pool of family property is shrunk because the investments in the markets are down, and the rich are taking advantage of that, divorcing so they have to pay their spouse less money. A lot of high profile cases have occurred this way. We're predicting there's going to be some more in the near future. This is a trend that we're seeing right now coming out of New York City. Before we get to the case of the day, I want to ask everybody to like this post if you like it, provide your comments. There's a little bell there. If you hit the bell, you'll get notification of our videos coming up. Also, please leave your questions in the comment section below. So what we're going to do is we're going to assemble all the questions we get each week, and we're going to come up with a video answering everybody's questions. So if you have a question about COVID-19 and family law, custody and access, whether or not you can suspend access to the other parent because of COVID-19 and your safety concerns, post your questions below, and we're going to get to them and hopefully produce a video in the near future. So let's end off where we started. Can you get your funds from the court, get a court order releasing your sale proceeds? In this particular case, the court said no. They dismissed the person's request to have the funds released. The court found that in the circumstances of that case, it wasn't considered an urgent or an emergency matter. In addition, the person asking for the relief had provided inadequate financial information, and the court needed more information before it can make an informed decision. So there's your COVID-19 case of the day. If you want to learn more about rich people getting a divorce, take a look at our blog. Thank you for watching, and be safe.